Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform experiment number 9, that is functionality of DMUX. Here we are going to use DMUX IC 74154. DMUX demultiplexer has only one input and n number of outputs along with m selection lines. A demultiplexer performs the reverse operation of multiplexer, that is, it receives one input and distribute it over the several outputs. At a time, only one output line is selected by the selection lines and input is transmitted to the selected output line. Here we are going to use IC 74154, that is DMUX IC, which has only one input and 16 outputs. Here is the pin diagram of IC 74154, which is 24 pin IC, in which Y1 to Y11 Y0 to Y10, Y11 to Y15 are output lines. Pin number 12 is used for ground. Pin number 18 is used for data inputs. Pin number 19 is used for strobe or enable pin. Here pin number 20, 21, 22 and 23 used for selection as a selection inputs, and pin number 24 is used for VCC. Here is the circuit diagram or connection of DMUX 1 to 16. This IC is active low IC, means if data input is 0, we get high output at the output lines, and if we give the data input high, then we get active low output at the output lines. Let us see the circuit diagram. Here is the connection for DMUX 1 to 16. Here 5 volt supply is given for pin number 24. Ground connection or ground is applied for pin number 24. Pin number 12, data input is applied at pin number 18. These are selection lines. Selection lines are applied at pin number 20, 21, 22 and 23. Now let us see the performance of this experiment. Here data input 0 is applied at pin number 18. These are selection lines. If we select 0, 0, 0, 0 as a selection input and data 0 is applied, then at Y0 we get output at Y0. If data input 1 is applied, output is 1, and if data input 0 is applied, then output is 0. If we select selection line as 0, 0, 0, 1 and output is, we get the output at Y1, that is, if data input 0 applied, then output is 0, and data input 1 applied, then output is 1. If data input selection lines 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 is applied, then we get output at Y7. Y7 is at pin number 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here we apply data input 1, we get output 1, and if we apply data as 0, we get output 0. Likewise, if we select the selection input like 1 1 1 1, then output is we get output at pin number 16, and pin number we get output at Y15, that is at pin number 17, 13 14 15 16 17. That is, if we apply data input 1, we get output 1, and if we apply data input 0, we get output 0. Thank you.